pa? Okay, at this moment, kakauwi ko lang kasama ko sila Pinsan, sila Jester, well, yung Mema, tapos, basta, iba-iba, tapos wala pa akong pongkay. Tapos, nag-message na agad ako, kasi alam ko nang mismo na yung story ng kakaptive ako. Hindi yung makita mo na mismo ng kinikili ko. Well, I just want you to know pa that I really miss you so much, and Mema is not complete without you. Well, it's not complete, but iba yung tipo na, alam mo yung mga moment dati na, hopyang-hopya ako, tapos kaya ako nagkikwento, I miss those times pa. And after doing good in California, I hope na one time, tatambay ka na lang sa Santa Monica, you know, spotting the hot super boys, and you're gonna have someone there for the fun time for me. Ano pa, miss na kita. Ako na taxi lang ang California pupuntahan kita. And I really love you so much. And this is a little video na I hope makes you feel that you are never forgotten here in the Philippines. Miss na miss ka namin pa, and I will always love you so much. Advance Merry Christmas and ikaw na nag-iisa ko pa. I love you so much, ha? And ingat ka dyan. I really miss you so much. I miss you. My armpits miss you. My entire body, every bone in my body, every nerve in my system misses you. Wala. I miss you pa. I hope that you're come home. You're here today. Since ka ng Mema, we can never be complete without you. And you're nga nga. Love you pa. Nga.